Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Misawa janeno mar Color TV kamano moro ma intiere machiegni weche manyien e kidieny ndi mar podho chieng' nyinga Joash Odhiambo Mitula ka weche gi kibende nyalo luwo ka okale mbui mago mag tudruok manendo Color TV live e Facebook, X @Color TV kaachiel kod YouTube bende Color TV Kenya. Wachako kamoro ni kweth mag jotelo makwedo piny owacho riwruok margi mar United Opposition ka otelnegi kod ogai mar Wiper moluor Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ochako kendo limbe magi e tielo machielo e gwenge mag Ukambani kama gimedo soko wang' piny owacho magilero ni onge koda chiendo makare mabende koro nyalo reso oganda jo Kenya gi kinde niendi. Kalonzo wacho ni chiendo go mag somo, thieth kaachiel kod mamoko gin mako malak gi chong gi kinde niendi, kendo jatend piny Kenya bende koro oseng'eyo ni odhi pachi momiyo koro gi kinde niendi ogwandore kod jotelo ma kamago kojiwo jo Kenya mar mondo mi owuog oko ka rombgi neno ni gibiro gitero William Samoei Ruto pacho.
Wanaumia kama Wakenya wenzao. Kwa hivyo ndio tunasema kwa kauli moja, wakati umesalia mdogo, sasa tujikomboe. Uchaguzi unaokuja sio uchaguzi wa kawaida. Huu ni uchaguzi wa kukomboa Kenya. Wewe mwenyewe uko tayari? Wangapi wako tayari kukomboa nchi yao? Na tukikomboa tutakuwa pamoja. Wakenya wameamua kutoka mlima Kenya mpaka pwani tunakoelekea, kutoka upande wa Northeastern, mtaona wengine hapa, kutoka Ingo Western Kenya, kila mahali Wakenya wamechoka. Ninaona, unajua wanatuogopa sana. Wakiona Kalonzo na Rigiji na JB na Jean wanaelekea mahali wanatoa bai. I hope hii pesa pa capitation. Sasa shule nyingi hazifanyi kazi, walimu hata mambo yao yanaharibika. Naona katibu wa elimu anasema ametoa pesa ndio mbaya Friday, Ijumaa, leo ni Jumatano. Kama Ijumaa hiyo pesa itakuwa haijafika kwa mashule, huyo katibu wa Ruto atakuwa anaonyesha yeye ni kama mkubwa yake. Uongo mtupu. Watu wamechoka na uongo Kenya hii.
Duond buch siasa nendo mar Jubilee mabende ogai margi en jatend piny Kenya machon moluor Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta oyango ni gidhi bedo kod jochung' e kombego eko kata yiero madunda mabende bag e gwenge mopogore opogore pacho kaendi ka gitwak kod jofwambo buore Nairobi gi dwaro mar mondo mi duond buche siasa magintiere godo e riwruok mar United Opposition manendo moting'o DCP kaachiel kod mamoko mar mondo mi koro kik bedie kod jachung' moro amora kar chung' od bura nendo ma Ol Kalou mar mondo mi koro Jubilee mabende jaod bura margi manendo David Kiarao ne owito ngimane ka nitiere kod otike e duond buch siasa nendo. Giyango ni mana kaka ne giweyo kanyendo komo nogo manendo Mambere North ne duond buch siasa mar DP ma otelne kanyendo kod machon ne Attorney General kod Speaker pacho kaendi Justin Bedan Njoka Muturi gin bende ber ka koro iweyo negi komo nogo ma Ol Kalou mar mondo mi koro gibedie kaka jotelo kata duond buch siasa nendo mar Jubilee.
But of course, it is actually a practice or what we have done before, that if the candidate or if the leader of that particular constituency or the MP was actually from a particular party, then definitely that party should be given a chance to fill the candidate. That has happened in Bere. And I think the best thing to do for purposes of unity is to actually let Jubilee field a candidate for MP Ol Kalou. So of course discussions will be there, but I think as far as we are concerned as a party, we are also independent as a party, and I think there are paths that we shall take as a party. Can I assure you that whether there is another candidate from any other party, there will be a Jubilee candidate. Maybe the chairman can assist there. Yes.
Yes. As you know, this Jubilee party is a party founded on the basis and the tenets of democracy, And the democracy requires that each and every body should be given an opportunity to contest any position that he or she wishes to contest. DCP and all other coalition partners are free also to have their candidate to run for Orikarau seat. But what we are saying is that the Orikarau seat has been occupied by Jubilee Party in the last 2 elections or 3 since the year 2013. Up to now, it was the first of all under TNA, subsequently under Jubilee. And in the spirit of togetherness and unity, we have said, since this position was held by Jubilee, it will be better for our coalition sisters to also support Jubilee in this by-election. You remember when we had the by-election in Mbeere, we were able to be persuaded and we stepped it down in favor of DP, whose candidate we supported. We don't intend to field a candidate in a Mruadikri. Our sister or coalition partners will field a candidate and will find it convenient to support the candidate whom they will agree upon. And we also requested them to find it convenient to support a candidate that will be fielding in Orikarau. Of course, if they field their candidates, then we will have, or we'll cross the bridge when we get there. But
Attend County Mamigori riwruok koda riwruok nendo mar UNICEF koro chako chenro nendo mar biro neno ni ngima nyithindo bedo kare kinde mabende minegi pek kaachiel kod kinde ma gikonyore mar mondo mi ber chenro mag thieth kaluwore ni wakili mathoth kaachiel kod nyithindo osebedo ka yudo pek e kinde mabende koro inyuologi kod kaka gidongo. Chenro machalo kamaendi bende koro dhi bero sectors mopogore opogore manendo moting'o neno ni oganda mapiyo osebedo ka dar e gwenge mopogore opogore obedo kare kind chenro go eko mamoko to moloyo kotenore koda ngima oganda.
This is about strengthening partnership, as was rightly said. We are here to visit some of these field visits to some of the health centers to see some of the good work that has been done. The 3 critical takeaway for us as UNICEF is about ensuring how we can better support on maternal and child health services, ensuring that the CIDPs and EADBs are able to sustain the investment that is already being made. It is also about addressing the triple threat. There is a UNICEF program, there is also a UN joint program on triple threat which addresses the SGBV, the sexual and gender-based violence, FGM, and teenage pregnancy. And the third area is about public health emergency outbreak, which also includes POSH services. So we would like to see how we can better strengthen our collaboration and support the government on few critical indicators that would really help Migori to take that leadership. And so I would
as a county, we have received support in the area of mother and child care. We have received support in areas of capacity building to our CHPs and our health staff so that we are able to respond to situations. So today we have this very powerful delegation from UNICEF to review how we have traveled together and also look at what priorities we have in Migori County. We have embarked on an ambitious plan of putting up facilities in our level 4 hostels that are for mothers and are also for newborn. Those facilities will require equipping. The health staff we have will require capacity building. They will also require other commodities. We have discussed that with UNICEF and they have promised that they will look at that because we continue building.
UNICEF touches on the core aspects of life because they touch on mothers, they touch on children, and these are the 2 people who bring future. If you look at the status of Migori County, teen pregnancy is very high. Amongst other counties in Kenya, I think our number is very high. And so to choose Migori County is a very good thing and we are very grateful for that. I must also thank the county government of Migori because I've learned today that they are planning to put up a rescue center in Nyatike, and it will not only deal with with the FGM. But beyond that, there are women who are beaten, there are boys who are molested. There are so many things around triple threat.
Anyuola moro mowuok e kar chung'o burane Makase Pool e kaunti nogo Homabay koro gie kinde ni ende kwayo piny owacho mar mondo omi oyie okonygi kaka ginyalo yudo wuodgi ma jahigni 30 ma bende chon ne jalweny e pacho kaendi to tich ne orumone kendo ka ne odhi limbe pinjegi komoko to riwore koda jolweny mowuok e piny nendo mar Russia e lweny mantiere kind piny Russia koda Ukraine ka nyaka gie kinde ni endi pod ok ong'e kama entiere. Kaluwore koda min mare Mama Teresia Otieno oyango ni wuode Richard Ouma ma jahigni 30 yande ne odhi e pinje ogogo kendo sani dweche 8 kapok giwinjo wach moro amora kawuok kuome kada wechegi mag tudruok mag mbui kanyakla bende koda sime wach ma bende osire koda nyiminene moting'o Beryl Awuora ma oyango ni wuodgi no endo kata wadgi ne onyisogi ni koro ne gintiere e piny nendo mar Turkey kendo ne gidhi e piny nendo mar Amerika kaeto bang'e onyise ni ne orwake e lweny kendo ketgi ong'ala manyime ka nyaka gisani ok ging'eyo kama entiere.
Huyu mtoto yangu alitoka mwaka mpya. Lukua ako Nairobi, lakini kutafuta kazi alienda kutafuta kazi. Alisema ati anaenda huko Russia kutafuta kazi. Akienda huko Russia, sijapata maneno yoyote. Hata simu yake, tukipiga simu hawezi kupatikana. Hata kwa WhatsApp kama wanaangalia message huwezi kuona yeye. Sasa mimi naomba serikali akikubali anisaidie. Niko na uchungu sana, serikali anisaidie kwa huyu mtoto yangu kama inaweza kurudi hapa Kenya. Nione hata macho yake kwa maana sijui hata kama yeye iko, hata kama alishakufa sijui. Sasa mimi naomba serikali kama serikali anaweza kunisaidia, anisaidie nione hata macho ya mtoto yangu. Sasa mimi naomba tu serikali kama anaweza kunisaidia, anisaidie. Lukua anafanya kwa wanajeshi hapa Kenya. Na alifanya alimaliza huko kwa wanajeshi miaka 7. Kazi iliisha, akirudi hapa nyumbani. Hapa nyumbani akakaa miaka 1. Ndio akaenda huko Nairobi kutafuta kazi.
Tuliongea na Richard mwezi wa 8 tarehe 7 mwaka jana. Alinitumia picha, alikuwa Turkey. Wakiwa Turkey akaniambia wanakula sapa then wana proceed na jani. Sasa wakifika huko Russia tena tukatumana message nikamtext akaniambia wako sawa, wako na pesa lakini venye wanaweza tumana huko Kenya ndio shida. Nikamwelezea tu kama ako sawa tu atafuta namna ya kutuma pesa Kenya, asikae na wasiwasi. Tena nikamtumana message nikamwambia uko aje? Akaniambia tuko lakini hatuna amani. Nikamuuliza kwani shida iko wapi? Ati huku ni ngumu. Sasa kuanzia hiyo siku mwezi wa 8 tarehe 7 mpaka wa leo. Aliniambia huku ni ngumu mpaka wa leo hatujapatana na yeye. Na kama kuna shida nyingine pia tujue kama familia tukae na amani, hatuna amani.
Sasa Richard alitoka alituambia ameenda Russia na alituambia alikuwa smuggled. Juu alisema walitolewa kama tourists. Akiwa airport alisema walilala kwa airport 2 days kama bado wanangojea wasafirishwe. Akasema sasa amefika lakini hali si nzuri, ako frontline. Sasa hiyo issue ya frontline ndio ilitutisha sana. Tukasema sasa akiwa frontline vile alituambia ameenda frontline, sasa tu kusikia neno lolote kutoka kwake.
Janeno mar Kala TV yena mar mia teke gi kanyende kidieni de mar poyo ching tudi kodwa kumoro kanyendo sa chiel gi sa dek mano kidieni mar machiegni pacho ka chiel kod ng'end weche mibrodo weche momoko mathoth kod nyawadwa Nelia Chieng'a. Erokamano kuom ne bedo koda chakruok nyaka giko. Nyinga Joash Odhiambo Mitula.